Oh boy, am I getting excited about SoFi stock, guys. We have to break down what in the world happened last week. We'll go over the charts, what I'm looking to do, and most importantly, where I see it going here moving forward as momentum is clearly building up. So, guys, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe here on YouTube. We're almost at 40,000 subs. And check out the email list. It's free. I send you all my top 3 stocks every single Monday. Actually, tomorrow morning, I'm sending out an email right to your inbox again for free. No spam, no BS, none of that. Just straight up value. Check it out. Link down below. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So, SoFi, 7%. Actually, hold on. Let me give credit where credit's due. 7.15% Green Day on Friday, up 56 cents, guys. And look at this 5-day, 5-minute chart. We broke out, first of all Friday. We closed off the week on a big move there, and we closed at a fresh high for the week. We took out the highs from Thursday, from Wednesday, Tuesday, and obviously Monday. And look at the surge in volume here, guys. Big push in volume there. And we ripped into close. Like I said, we're actually up even more as of the aftermarket, it looks like here a little bit. But yeah, what a day for SoFi on Friday. What a week. And I think from 750, which was the low from Wednesday morning, we were up almost 12% on the week. Very, very good move there for SoFi. And now we're actually getting that direction, right? This is why this move is very important, because there was a stretch here about 2.5 weeks where we were straight up downtrending. Do you guys see this right here? You guys notice that? We were in this downtrend for a good, 3 weeks, right in that ballpark. And now we're getting out of there. We're breaking out. We're above the moving averages. We're noticing a golden cross on the horizon here on the 1-hour chart. So that's perfect for the bulls in the short term. Could signal more upside. And on the 4-hour, take a look at this. We have a cup and handle. You guys see the cup and handle right here. Clear as day. Cup, handle. That's starting to look really good. We're testing the top, which is the breakout zone anywhere from 840, 850. That's kind of what I'm looking at here on this time frame for this week. Well, one of the things, right? Again, you can see the downwards channel that we're breaking out of that. We have a golden cross. We're above the moving averages on the 4-hour time frame. So, guys, this looks good. And may I add, if we take out the highs from the middle of September being about 845, 850, we're pretty much there. We're pretty much there, guys. We're going to be trading at over a 6-month high. Yeah, over a 6-month high on the stock, which is nuts. The last time we hit, high $8, $9 was back in, it looks like here, the end of February. And before that, it was in the end of January. So all year pretty much, SoFi has been trading sub $7 for most of the year, sub $8 even. And the fact that now we're starting to build momentum in this environment where the Fed's cutting rates, the jobs, the data was way better than expected. Unemployment rate came in lower than expected, which is good. It was at 4.1%. It was expected at 4.2%. All of this combined right now is causing SoFi to move, because I think overall the stock was scared of a recession, not fully obviously, but on edge a little bit. And then we got that jobs data, boom, and we got the unemployment rate, 7% Green Day like that. And even before that, momentum has been building as the Fed just cut rates 50 basis points, and the stock was running way before that decision, right? So it looks like the perfect storm is, in place right now in the short term. And I'm thinking if we take out 845, I'll set my alert. Actually, let's put it at 850 for now. Mark is at or above 850. I'm thinking if we get out of there, guys, boom, we could fill this gap to 920, 925 in the short term. No problem, which again, that's kind of where we were end of February, really early days of March there. So about 6 months ago. So keep your eyes on that. Of course, we have earnings coming up here at the end of the month on the 29th of October in the morning. So the last couple of days of the month there, we're going to have SoFi earnings. It's going to be good, guys. So let me show you these numbers actually very quickly associated with SoFi right now. Bear with me. By the way, guys, make sure to subscribe here on YouTube. We're almost there, almost at 40,000 subscribers. There we go. So I'll pop my big old head down here to the right. So SoFi, some of you may think it's a massive company, right? Huge company, but I don't know if you knew this. It's still a big company, no doubt. But $8.9 billion, not that big of a company overall compared to others that people talk about these days. And even in the financial banking, if you will, space, 8-9 billion is really not. It's not anything to sneeze at. It's not bad. But what I'm trying to get at here is there's room for growth, right? It could get a lot higher. So we got the market cap, 8.5 or 8.9, excuse me, $billion. And mind you, it was a lot lower when the stock was like $5-6 recently. So we have climbed a good chunk over the last couple of weeks here. But again, I still think there's room for growth. So again, earnings are at the end of this month, 29th of October in the morning. So let me show you a little bit here what's going on with these numbers. So these are the estimates, by the way. Who knows what they're actually going to do. But average earnings per share estimate based on 13 analysts, you guys can see here, is right around 4 cents. Last year, they lost 29 cents in that same quarter. So, yeah, pretty good there growth-wise, earnings per share. And revenue, $631 million is the average estimate. Last year they did 530, so up around 19% is what we're looking at right now. Not too bad. I think it will grow more moving forward here. And insiders, not too many. When I say too many notable insiders, not that the CTO is not notable, but Noto's been buying. Funny enough, I said notable Noto. There you go. Yeah, Noto's been buying stock. You guys can see here, he's been on that plan where he's buying a set amount, or at least he was. These all seem like different share lot purchases or different lots here. Yeah, or different amounts rather. What the heck am I saying? Yeah, Noto's been buying for months. He just recently bought, well, not recently. His most recent buy is $6.50 per share, 30,000 shares on that day. But we have seen some other decent, people that are up there in the company, right? CTO, obviously, EVP. We've seen some sales here recently. The last couple of days of September, looks like Jeremy Rochelle, CTO, he sold 12% of his position, $8.12, pretty much where we're at now, 68,000 shares. How much money was that? $552,000. All right. We also had Kelly Koff, or I can't say that last name, Kioff, however the heck you say it. She sold 9,300 shares, 5% of her position, $75,000. All right. Not a crazy sale there dollar-wise, but you got to focus on the amount of their position they're selling. Forget the dollar number. That's where people might overlook something like this. That was 5%, nothing too crazy. Again, we had Jeremy Rochelle. He sold 12%. And then actually, no, wait, hold on, Kelly. She sold on, it looks like here, when was this? End of August, she sold 18% of her position. All right, that was a bigger move there. 24,000 shares, $180,000 at $7.26 per share. But yeah, overall, nothing too crazy. I mean, look, the biggest sale, funny enough, was from the Qatar Investment Authority. We all talked about that when it happened. They sold completely out of the company. And look at that. They sold at $6.78, man. And now the stock's pushing mid-8s. I don't know. They were in the investment, I think, before they went public. And they must have been sick and tired of SoFi. To get out of it like that at a pretty bad time. I mean, now it's heating up, heading into the rate cut like we talked about, and the jobs data. The economy still looks pretty decent based on the numbers we got. I mean, it's not pristine, the best it's ever been. I'm not saying that by any means, but it looks okay, right? Decent. and we're getting that move on the stock. But yeah, they sold almost 20 million shares, $135 million. Yeah, so they definitely, I mean, if you're penny pinching here, not really penny pinching, but you get my point. They probably could have saved, 15, $20 million in losses, I guess, or not losses, but they could have made another 20, 25 million bucks on that position if they, held it till now, but they didn't. All good though. It's the name of the game. They're probably invested in something else by now. That was a couple months ago anyway. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. Keep your eyes on all those points. I think it's on the verge of breaking out, at least in my opinion. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Of course, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my Patreon. I'm actually adding money every single week to my private Patreon portfolio. I'm buying stocks, doing a bunch in there. You guys see all the moves. There's a Discord. And of course, I post my charts and ideas throughout the week. So link down below, pinned in the comment section, is the Patreon. Make sure to go check it out. And with that being said, I'll catch you later.